We all love flattering looks and styles, but even a slight fashion faux pas can definitely be a hindrance to achieving a stunning look. We are here with some super easy and convenient ways to deal with any last-minute hassles so you can look your best, come what may. No matter how cool your outfit is, your sleeve slipping away from your shoulder can bring your entire look down. So use a band-aid upside down to secure your strap. A stubborn zipper that won't go up? The solution is right at your dressing table. Just grease the zipper with your lip balm and fix it in a jiffy. Put on your favorite shirt only to find out that a button is missing? Now you don't have to change the entire outfit. Just go and get hold of a paper pin. Put it inside your button by first straightening it and then making a U shape. Now twist it to make sure that the button sticks to the shirt and you are good to go. The gap between your shirt is taking away from the perfect look? Seal this imperfection using a double-sided tape. If a race against time is stopping you from wearing a freshly pressed outfit, just take the attire along with you to the shower and let the hot steam work its magic. Let's face it, even if we are not lazy, carrying an iron around isn't always feasible, especially if you are traveling. But you don't have to fret because this trick is definitely a savior. For cotton outfits, use the blow dryer's cool air option and see the creases fade away. To straighten synthetic ones, spray some water first and use the dryer at a safe distance. Don't have a dryer handy either? Dab a damp hot towel in areas that tend to crease and let it dry for about 20 minutes. Say hello to no more crumple. Stopping a last-minute havoc? That isn't in our control, but making sure that it doesn't stop us from rocking our stylish outfits is. So let us know if you found these hacks helpful, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.